Why portray yourself with Grok when you have other alternatives you can use to generate realistic AI videos? You can see from this particular videos you're seeing on your screen here, I generated this particular video using AI and it was 100% for free. So now in this particular tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can generate videos just like the one you are going to be seeing right now. So let me quickly just show you the full video.
Please, sir, help me just for a moment.
Don't bother me! Carry your own load! If only I had listened. If only I had helped.
Alright, the video you just watched, I did that using AI and it's for free. I didn't have to pay anything to generate these particular videos. So I get it from the prompts down to the image generation and also to the video generation. Everything there was simply using AI and everything was totally for free. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. First thing we are going to be doing in this particular place is to first of all get our storyline. So what I did was you go to ChatGPT or go to anywhere you want to use and generate your listen. But normally I just like using the one that is closer to me. I just use Copilot my listen here. So what I did was this is what I did. I just try to give it a hint of what the kind of story I wanted to write for me. After doing that, after giving it, I'm asked in the duration I want it to write. So this was the story it's generated for me. It generated this story for me, this storyline for me. From there, I now ask him to break it down into different scenes. After breaking it down, this is what it produced for me. Broke the story down into 4 scenes for me. So from here, I now ask, okay, you should give me for each of the scene. I need an image prompt for each of the scene. So after generating, you can say I don't give me an image prompt for each of the scene. After doing that, it now gave me an image prompts for each of the scene. So what I did was I just try to allow to be image prompts to get to me. And now went to my mentor AI. You can see I went to mentor AI. This was where I generated the images from. So what I did was I brought in the first prompt he gave me. After I bring in the first prompt I did was to tell him, please note that once generated, you will use and maintain same character through the remaining images that will be generated on this chart. Now, why I gave you that instruction, so that it will be consistent, so that it won't give you another, it will try to maintain the same type of the structure of the business. So you can see it try as much as possible to still maintain the same kind of business. So that just, you have to instruct it on what to do. So this was where I got all my pictures. I inserted the prompts and it generated the images for me, and I download. What I did was just to download the image directly from here. So after getting all my images, I now can see how the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to the website. So now for the video, we're going to now make you just come to your Google address now and search for Google Feeds. Just search for Google Feeds. Once you search for Google Feeds, it's going to bring, just click on the first link you're seeing over here. Just click on it. Now you can see it brings you to an interface like this. So now I'm going to click on sign in to Google Feeds. So I'm going to just click on it, just sign in with your Google account. And here you go. It should bring you to an interface like this once you sign in. So now we are going to be clicking on this particular one. So once you're on this interface, next thing we are going to be doing is to bring in the prompts we are going to be using. So remember, I already have my prompt I wanted to. So I copied some parts of the prompts. Now from here you can see we have on this side we have create from scratch, but I'm going to be using animate an image. Remember, I already have the image we want to be using. So let me just add the prompts I want to use, and the aspect ratio I'm going to select because this is the aspect ratio of the image I'm using. So I'm going to now select this. Once you select the image you want to make use of, I'm going to now click on open. Once you click on that, it's going to load up the image over here. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on generate. Can I click on generate? Remember, I had my prompt, what I wanted to do, and I've selected the aspect ratio over here. I've selected the aspect ratio, then the image. I'll now click on prompt and generate. So once I click on generate, just give it a while. It's going to generate the video for you. So you can see it told me my video is ready. So you can see what it generated. So if you are okay with it, then just right click and click on save. So once you click on save video as, it's going to come over there. And so just keep repeating the same process through all the prompts or your video prompts. Alright, I've gone ahead to generate all the videos for all my scenes that I needed. So now, after getting everything, what you can draft them here to edit directly from here, or you can simply just save each and every one of them and just use any your preferred video editor you want to make use of. You can use any of them. But you can see as I brought it in, this particular video is going to be a portrait video but it's showing on a landscape. So what you can just on this side, you can click here and change the aspect ratio to portraits. So you can change it to, so click on it and let's just delete this. Now let's delete the first one. Now you can see it. Now she's coming in with the water. Where she missing that? And then I think the next scene should be everywhere.
Don't bother me!
Which highway and
Don't!
I think the next patch is where I'm in, then followed by the last one. I'm just quickly in the last one.
If only I...
This is it. Let me just quickly play it. Let's see. And I just want to quickly go to the editing from here directly and show you. I'll see how you can export it from here. So you got your done with your editing, we can just click on file and come to where you have download and save the whole editing as. So once you click on that, it's going to download the video for you. So you can see my video has been downloaded. Let me quickly just play it and see what we came up with.
Please, sir, help me just for a
Don't bother
moment.
me! Carry your own load! If only I had listened. If only I had helped.
So you can see how the video is. That's everything which was done using AI. See, from the editing, from the image generation down to everything was completely AI. So you can continue. So you can with this, you can keep on generating as much as you like. If you're using this particular platform, this Google Vis to edit your video, one thing is to generate your videos. One thing, there's a limit to what you can do per day. So what you need to do once you hit the limits, is going to ask you to upgrade. So what you need to just do, if you want to get more this thing, if you do what you just want to do, probably just for you to sign into another different email address and you can continue your video generation from there. So if you have, let me say you have up to 10 emails, you can definitely generate as much videos as you can. But I think for this particular platform, you can generate up to that kind of 5 to 7 videos per account on the free account. So you can seize this opportunity and then generate as much video as you can with you. So that just the trick. If you have much project to do, what you just need to do is to just create more email accounts or which you'll be using to do your video auditors. So if you have many email accounts, definitely you can generate as much videos as you or without any minutes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.